What do you do when you have some glassware you don't know what to do with? If you have old vases and plates and things like that, a punch bowl set, you can make a bird bath. Here's what I used to make this bird bath. And there's a cup from the punch bowl set that you can't see that's right under the top bowl. I thought it turned out pretty good. What do you think? And so easy to do. Here's an old one I did. This old one broke, but I wanted to keep it and use it anyway. And I can always make it into another bird bath. Thanks for watching.